again for iMag at Home. So today we're going to be doing a fun fall experiment. It's a regular experiment I do a lot, but with a little fall twist, because I wanted to talk to you really quick about something new we're doing here, which is we are offering brand new workshops. So if you go onto our website, you're going to find that we have workshops throughout the week. We have maker workshops, we have tech workshops, we even have drink and make workshops for the adults. And then on the weekends, we are offering quickie little workshops on Saturday. So it's a science Saturday, and then we're also having family workshops on Sunday. So you definitely want to check that out, see all the fun new things that we're offering. But I'm going to give you a sneak peek at what you can be doing in our workshops. So this is called the Puking Pumpkin. And so I have a cup here, and what I did is I just took a regular little paper orange birthday cup, you can get it at the Dollar Tree, and then I drew my little jack-o'-lantern face on it, and I used scissors to cut it out. If you're really little, make sure you have an adult helping you out. But yeah, we got our face cut out over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some baking soda, and we're gonna dump that in the bottom of our cup, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of dish soap and put a little bit of that in there. Now, if you're doing this experiment, you definitely want to make sure you have an area that's allowed to be a little bit messy, because it's going to get a little bit messy. And then this has vinegar in it, and we've dyed it blue because you always want to have something fun and colorful. So we're going to go ahead and do this. And we've got our awesome puking pumpkin. So this is, again, an acid-base reaction with our baking soda and our vinegar. All kinds of cool chemistry concepts happening in this small experiment. If you come to my workshop, we're not just going to be doing this in cups, we're actually going to do it out of real pumpkins too. So it'll be much bigger, much cooler, but this is just a fun way you can do this at home. Again, please go on the website, look for all the dates and times. If you have any questions, give us a call or an email. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.